So in this question, this is another limit definition of the derivative, but noticing that all the answers are numbers, then we must actually need to figure out what the derivative is we're being asked for, and then find it. So it's like, hey, f of x is something, x is something, now find what f prime is at that number. So that's the approach we're going to take. So this is in the form of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So as I look at this, e to the 2 times 1 plus h. Well, that means this would be an x plus h, and my x must be 1. So I've figured out what x is. So now I want f prime at some number. That number is 1. Well, my function is e to the 2x. And now we're going to check it to make sure what happens when I plug a 1 in here. Well, that becomes e squared, and e squared is in the place of f of x. So that means I want the derivative of e to the 2x when x is 1. So I'll go ahead and take the derivative. This is a chain rule problem. My inner function is u equals 2x, and v equals e to the u. My u prime is 2, and my v prime is e to the u, or e to the 2x. So now I will find the derivative here. We have 2 times e to the 2x, plugging in 1, we have 2 times e to the 2 times 1, or 2e squared. Now, that does not show up over here. So none of the answers were correct. Seems like either C because it has a 2 in it, or E because it has an E squared in it. So I'm going to have to go back and look, and probably just give credit for anybody who picked either C or E. But most importantly, the correct answer was 2E squared.